Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iPhone XR on the iOS 15.3. So, Apple announced the iOS 15.3 to public and you can go in settings, and after going in settings, you have to click on general and then click on software update and you will see the iOS 15.3 to install. Just click on install button and you are just smart enough to install that update. In this video, we are going to talk about how this update is performing on my device and is it worth installing this update on your device. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Be sure to subscribe to this channel because I keep on making these kind of videos. We are really close to 10k subscribers and it was my goal to get there last year. Would be really awesome if you can hit that subscribe button. Now that you have done that, let's get right into today's video. So I have been using the iOS 15.3 RC on my device for past couple of days now. And what is the RC? RC is basically the public version, the same version that you guys got right now on your phones. I was using this update for past couple of days on my iPhone XR, and in this video I'm going to talk about how it held up and is it worth installing. The simple and short answer for people who do not want to watch till the end is that yes, it is worth installing this update. Now let's dig in deeper and talk about what this update brings to your device and what enhances are with this update. Number one is the most awaited one, the battery life. The battery life was a really pain for a lot of iPhone XR users on iOS 15.2. In fact, all of the iOS 15 versions have been real bad on iPhones, like iPhone XR, 11, and heck yeah, even on my 12, it have been a really bad time. Like iOS 15 from the start have been really bad in terms of battery. But there is a good news. This time, iOS 15.3 is noticeably better compared to the 15.2. Now, I'm not saying that it is miles better. Yes, Apple still need to work on battery and improve it, but it is still noticeably better. By noticeably better, I mean by 10% more on your device, which is actually, not gonna lie, pretty good. You are getting extra 10% after installing this update. In my opinion, that's a really great thing, you know. Talking about performance, the performance seems to be a bit better too. My phone seems to lag less now. The animations and everything are just silky smooth. Everything on this phone, it feels really darn amazing. Not saying that 15.2.1 was bad in any way, but yes, it is a little bit better in terms of performance. All those geeks out there who do game on their devices, this time I managed to play some games on this device and here is what I felt. Gaming experience is about the same as the 15.2. Not whole lot of difference here to be seen, but yes, it feels like the temperature of my iPhone was a bit too low compared to the iOS 15.2. Now this may be because of the weather condition or room temperature. Anything can be, just don't take my words like I have said it, so it's 100% true. It may be true for my device but not your device. It can vary a lot, especially from the place to place where you guys live. Like I'm in India, so here the temperatures right now are around 10 degrees. So if it is high at your place or even low at your place, it may vary for you. Now talking about new wallpapers. Yes, you guys know that I'm such a fan of wallpapers and I really want new wallpapers in iOS. But guess what? Mr. Timmy still decided to not add new wallpapers in iOS 15.3. More like I would say, Craig, you didn't add new wallpapers. Come on, add some new wallpapers, Apple. What you doing? In short, jokes aside, there are no new wallpapers to be seen in this update. Also, there are no major new features. How can you expect new features? iOS 16 is right around the corner and I just can't wait to cover iOS 16 and iOS 16 on iPhone XR. That's why you should subscribe to Tech Hyped, alright? Also, if you guys have any issues and if you guys want to talk to me, you can just hit me up on Twitter at @Tech Hyped. I'm most active there. You can just DM me. We will talk about if you have any issues on your iPhone XR or any sort of iOS bug, we will talk about it. You can also comment down below, but I would say it's better to just get in my DM because, you know, just DMs are just much better. In conclusion, is it worth installing this update? The answer is yes, and yes. There there is not whole lot of degrades that you are getting. In fact, not even one degrade that you are getting after installing this update. Also, did I mention that I gained about a gigabyte of storage on my device after installing this update? So this is in all way it is benefit to install this update, not to forget all those security changes. That's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, you know what to do. Peace out and have a great day, everyone. Sure to subscribe. We are so close to 10K. Thank you so much.
All this